here. Tonight I'm making some chicken feet soup. What I have here is some boiling water. And this here is pre-boiled chicken feet that's been pre-boiled until soft. Okay, so in it goes. Whoops. And we're going to add to it some fresh ginger slices, lemongrass. This is optional, ginger leaves, and chili peppers. And for the seasoning, my very typical chicken bouillon. 2 tablespoons. Optional, MSG. And a little bit of sea salt. And we're going to bring this back to a boil. Okay, once it comes to a full boil, you let it boil like this for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we're going to add some cherry tomatoes and white onion. Then we're going to move this aside. Get a pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And we're going to brown our garlic, chopped garlic. Is it not focusing? Hello, hello. It's down here. Focus down here. Oh, hold on. Okay, so we're going to brown our garlic. Oh my goodness, it's not focusing. Sorry, guys. Okay, so once it's like this, we're going to bring back our pot. And dump this whole thing in there. This will give it a nice garlicky aroma, garlic aroma. And then we let this cook for another 3 minutes, and then it's done. Okay, after 3 minutes, turn off the heat. Give it a taste. And if it's missing anything, you can go ahead and add some right now. I'm actually going to add some tamarind seasoning to give it more the sourness to it. You can add more tomatoes, or you can add this tamarind seasoning, okay, powder. And a little bit of the sauce. And lastly, garnish it with some lemon basil and green onions. Lemon basil smells so good. And that's it. Voila! Chicken feet soup. Very easy and delicious if you like chicken feet. And voila, chicken feet soup. This will go good with steamed rice. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.